How to customize page headers in Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can customize your own page headers on a Google Sites. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to create a account within a Google, and then we are going to head to the sites or Google Sites. It is very easy. You can type sites.google.com and you will be good to go. The next step that you need to do is to go ahead and select a template gallery. For example, a template if you want to customize a template, or if you have a website already published, all you have to do is to select the website. Then you are going to click on it, and here we have the website ready, as you can see. Now we are going simply to customize the header. This is the header, and when you click on the header, we have here options. When you click on it, for example, we have a header type. We can go ahead and put the header as a cover. You can put it as a large banner, or you can put it as a banner, or also we can put it as a title only. And here we have the title. Now let's go and put it, for example, as a large banner, and then we are going to begin customizing it. Here we can have a text on the banner. I am going to put, for example, banner like that, test text, for example, or header. You can go ahead and select that text. Then you are going simply to put the font on this text like that. For example, you can put it here. This is a bold one, or you can select it right here and choose from the fonts that are available from Google. For example, Pacifico. This is a very chic one. You can go ahead and make it like that, or we can make it also bigger like that. I'm going to put a big banner, for example. Here I'm going to select, put it right here, and here we have it. You can make it smaller, you can put it right here, divide it, and etc. Now the thing also that you can do right here is to put, for example, the title of your website right here. Here we have Jack Sites, for example. I'm going to change it to test website, for example, like that, website name, and simply let it right here. Here we have the logo. You can add a logo. When you click on edit logo, it will let you see here the logo, and here also we have an option of a favicon. You can put here the or select the color to use to the theme. For example, you can here see right here, these are the colors. You can add a favicon, for example. Let's go ahead and add a favicon. Let's see here if we have something. I will add this one as a favicon also. And for the logo, to change it, all you have to do is to edit logo. Then we have the logo. You can put this in the trash bin, click on upload. Then you are going to set another logo. The shape of the logo will depend on the shape of the image. If you have a rounded image, it will be round. If you have a square like that, you can go ahead and put it square. When you finish this, you are going simply to click on exit, and here we go. Now we have the navigation. As you can see here, we have these settings. You can see here the colors, for example, black. When you put this navigation, you can customize the color of it. You can put it white, or you can put it transparent. Here we have to add, also if you want to add a custom domain, it is up to you to connect your custom domain. Now let's go ahead right here and see the images of this header. You can go ahead and select the image or upload a new image in place of that. You can either upload the image, select the image, or put an alt text in case of, for example, some of the readers or the people that are visiting your website can't get the image straight. Now, if you can declare this this is a decorative image, you can go ahead and check this so you will not put the description. You can cancel. For example, I'm going to select another image for this banner, let's say, and I'm going to add this one. Click on it. This is a gallery of images set by Google. Click on insert, and here we have it. You can also add an anchor image. For example, you can go ahead and anchor the image. If you want to see here the center of the image, if you want to see the upper section, the bottom section, the bottom right, the top right, and etc. And here we have these sections that you can go ahead and customize also. We have here the pages. As you can see, when you have here, we have some events, we have home and about. If you want to modify these, add some pages, all you have to do is to go to this right bar right here. This is the modification bar. Click on pages, and here we have it. You can go ahead and change the position of these. For example, I'm going to put home under events or as a drop down menu. I'm going to remove it from a drop down menu, and here we have the home at the last selection. We have about and events. You can put it right here like that. I want to add, for example, the about page under home as a drop down menu. So I simply click on it, select it, and then I'm going to drop it right here. Then I'm going to move it here under the home. I'm going to put it here at the home, and it will be set as a drop down menu. If you want to remove it, all you have to do is to drop it right here and replace it. Now, if you want to add a page, all you have to do is to click on the plus button right here, and as you can see here, you can add a new page, you can add a link, a full page, embed, and also you can add a menu or a selection or a section. You can go ahead and add a menu section, for example, plus. I'm going to put it plus, and here we have a menu section. You can add the menu section right here. You can see it is normally a dynamic menu or a big menu that you can set. For example, I'm going to drop it or delete it. I don't need it. And for the themes, you can go ahead and select the color theme for these. You can go ahead and select the, for example, I am on the level. This is the font and the colors I'm selecting for the level. You can go ahead and select the diplomat, for example, or the level. I am here on the levels, diplomat, vision. These are the fonts and the colors combination that are used. Impression, for example, and here you can go ahead and put the colors at the banner of the header. Green, here we have gray, blue, and also we have the font styles. As you can see, capital. Here we have Frank. You can go ahead and put these fonts as much as you want. You can add or custom some fonts right here. You can add a logo, a banner image, and you can go ahead and select these themes, custom colors. Here we have the codes of the colors, and here we have the color palettes. For example, I'm going to create this theme, and here we have it. You can go ahead and customize this. So the banner or the header will be customized as the same color as the text is created. That was very simple. That was pretty much everything about the header that you can customize. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.